Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an Hermes unboxing to share with you. I picked up two items from the boutique and I picked up a bag from the website. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the small item that I picked up at the boutique. This is my favorite SLG style from Hermes, and it is a Calie card holder. And this one is just the regular Calie. I wish it was the duo, but it's just the regular one. And it is in chai, which is such a beautiful color, and it has this print. Let me see, is the information on here somewhere? Oh no, it's not. That's weird. I thought there would be something on there. Usually there's a sticker, but anyway, this, I do know that this is chai, and the leather is Swift. So, and it's just got the print, which I thought was really cute. Yeah, so that is the first item, and it sort of goes along with the one of the other items that I'm going to unbox. So this is an item that I actually looked for when we were in New York City recently. If you watched my New York City unboxing, I did pick up a few things from the Hermes there, but they didn't have this in yet, but the Toronto boutique ended up getting it in. So and it is the Calie strap, and it is the version that has the shearling on the pocket, which I think is so cute. And it is in gold with gold hardware, and the leather is Swift, so it's really soft and pretty. Yeah, it's got this little built-in card holder. I've always wanted a Calie strap. I just never have had the opportunity to buy one that where I liked the color. So this will go well on my Blue Nuit 2424, the mini 2424. I had that with me today and it looked really nice on it. And also my black Bolide 25. This looks nice on that as well. So I have a couple of bags that I plan to use it with, and this is the 85 centimeter length, so it is just a shoulder bag. I guess it could be a really short crossbody, but it's meant to be a shoulder bag. So that's the stamp, and yeah, so that is a little accessory I picked up. They also had it in black, but I felt the gold would look better with more of a variety of bags. Like I couldn't really do the black with the Blue Nuit because I don't know, it wouldn't be enough of a contrast. So I went with the gold. Okay, and the final item. So this one I've already unboxed. As you can see, the ribbon is already off. This is a bag from the website. So if you saw my last unboxing, I did unbox a Della Cavalleria in Mauve Sylvester. And now I liked it. I love the Della Cavalleria because I have it in gold and use it a lot. The more I thought about it, the more I realized Mauve Sylvester just isn't the pink I wanted. I really want Rose Sakura. I already have Mauve Pale, which I love, my mini Lindy. So I did end up returning the Mauve Sylvester Della Cavalleria. So that meant that I was able to get this bag on the website and it didn't get canceled or anything. So like I said, I've already opened this, but just put it back in the box for the unboxing. So this is a style I actually already have, so it's another, repeat. The Della Cavalleria would have been a repeat in my collection because I love the style, but the color I wasn't 100% happy with. So I this one, I knew if this popped up, I really wanted it. So to reveal, this is the Micro Picotin, or the Picotin 14 in the Lucky Daisy print. And I got the Nata and green one back in summer of 2022 when these first were released. And this is the chai color. So the reason I wanted that Calie that I just unboxed, show you, is because I thought it would look really nice with this. So even like some of the colors in here match. So I thought that looked really cute together. And I've always wanted a chai bag. I love the color chai. It is so beautiful. And this is in Swift. It's so soft and so light. And I love my Nata one, so I knew that when I saw this available, I knew I had to snatch it up. So, and then the lock and keys I have not put on yet, but they are in here. There's the keys and the lock, so I will put that on. And yeah, so that is my Hermes haul for today. Yeah, I think this looks like such a cute set. And the straps. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to keep this short. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much again, and have a great day.